Then software and applications that you need. There is this Yoruba word that says irinṣẹ́ níṣẹ́. So there's no way we can be successful without having tools on YouTube. It's not enough for you to produce video and upload. You won't grow that way. You need some tools that will make your channel a success. Number one is Canva. Some people use PicMonkey, and there are several tools out there. But one thing I have learned, and that I keep learning and I keep teaching people, is there are millions of tools out there, but find one that you know how to use and learn how to use it well. So much that when they wake you up in the midnight like this, you know where the effects are, you know where the tools are, and you can easily manipulate, the tools. So these are the ones I've been using, and I have mastered them to an extent. Of course, I'm still learning, but to an extent, I have mastered some of them. You need Canva to design. You need Keyword Everywhere to find what are people searching for at this point. Keyword Everywhere, I've started collecting money, so I really don't use them anymore. Google Trend is there. You can use it, to check what is trending now. How can I coin what is trending now around my videos? Excuse me. Then YouTube hashtags. I don't know if you are aware that YouTube also have hashtags. So you can actually create your personal hashtag on YouTube. For example, you can create hashtag NCC Genesis. So if anybody search online for NCC Genesis and they put hashtag, they will be able to locate you on Google. They will be able to locate you on Instagram. Then vidIQ. vidIQ is for you to be able to understand how your video is doing and how your video can perform better. vidIQ and TubeBuddy, they are the same thing. They both also have prices. They don't come free. I keep telling people that there is nothing like influencer. You are an influencer if you know how to market your business, and that is it. And it depends on your budget. So if you are able to push your content more out there, if you are able to market your content, you will have lots of views, you will have lots of followers. Because the truth is, your content is very, very useful, but people don't know that you are there. So until they know that you are there, then you won't have lots of followers. And I also need to say this: if you don't have what you are going to use to feed the people, there's no need for you to have followers. Leave them alone, because YouTube is, there's this peculiarity about YouTube. At a point, if you are not producing the content that they need, because your subscriber can also destroy your channel. Because if you have the wrong subscriber for the right content, they won't view it, and they will be useless to you. And at some point, they will start to unsubscribe to your channel. People will always unsubscribe, but the subscribers are often more than those who will unsubscribe. It's, it's a normal thing. It's a media world. So we really need to understand that. The rapid tag generator, when you upload, YouTube needs to categorize where your video belongs, because it will help the algorithm to know who to serve your video. For example, most of the time when I go to YouTube channel, I want to listen to Tokwe Alabi. I want to watch, there's these twins that I love watching. There's this funny couple that I love watching, Ling and Lamb. So once I open my YouTube channel, the first thing that will come to me is those people, because the algorithm has already seen me as the person who consumes these things. So the rapid tag generator will help you to define who your audience is, and they will be able to send your video to them. The foundation of YouTube, I don't think we need this. We would have known this. You need to have an account. then you log in, you design your logo. You can create all in one. Let me just quickly say something about this. So creating all in one video means that from one video, you can create audio from it for you can, if you want to start podcasts for NCC Genesis, you can have audio from it. You can go to the subtitle. Automatically, YouTube will generate transcript for your voice. So you can copy it and edit it and make it your blog. You can also, in between, when you are speaking, you can mention, for example, when you mention your book, when you mention the group, intentionally you dedicate a time like 1 minute to talk about it. So you cut that place out for an advert and you can put it on your Instagram, or you cut a particular part of the video that is very, very interesting, that is deep. You cut it out, you post it on Instagram, and you copy the link of that particular video and put it in your profile. So you tell people to check the link in the bio. Okay. Then use Google Excel to create what you want to write. For example, I have this this list on entrepreneurship. I have about 42 topics. So if I'm creating one video per month, I have more than 1 year video to create on entrepreneurship. So you just have to make it, just create it in Excel file. Then have your next video ready. That makes people stay longer. YouTube wants it when people stay longer on your video. So you say, and if you want to learn more about this, check this next video. If you have not heard about this, check this last video that I made. So always refer them back, refer them forward. So that makes them to stay on your channel and consume more of your content. That can also be done through the end screen card and all that. Then have okay, so follow due process. When your channel receive 3 copyright strike, if you use another person's video without permission and you have 3 copyright strike, your channel can be deleted, it can be demonetized, and you will not be able to come back to YouTube like forever again. Understand the monetization policy as well. Be consistent, keep learning from similar channel. But I would say the best place to learn is from YouTube themselves. There is YouTube Creators Academy. You can always check them out and learn more. Understand monetization. So for YouTube partnership program, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for YouTube to start placing adverts on your content. Of course, recently they told us that even if you are not qualified for monetization, they can still put adverts on your videos. It doesn't matter, but you will not have the money. The money will belong to YouTube. But as soon as you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, within the same year, you will start making money from YouTube. And one of the things that will help you is write the vision, make it clear, write it on your wall. When do you want it? How many subscribers do you want? Write it, make it clear, look at it every day. And as you do that, your subconscious will begin to help you find the means of doing it right and then bring clarity so that at the end of the day, you can have what you want. Okay, so visit the academy, tell your family and friends to especially pastors, you have opportunity, you always have people around you, you have the influence, so you can always tell people to subscribe to the channel and they will. Then you need to link your Instagram account to your full video, like I explained the other time. Sometimes you might need to pay for views legally, but it's a bit expensive on YouTube. YouTube advert is expensive. But there are software like companies like Sprinzy.com will help you publicize your video. Don't do sub for sub. It's very dangerous. It will spoil your channel. Then don't upload other people's video, like I said the other time. Apart from the YouTube partnership program, another way is the super chats. I'm sorry, this is wrong. Community. So community membership, you can make money through that. Super chats, you can make money through that when you are doing live video. Another thing is you can actually have brand deals. I didn't remember to add that. Brand deals can also help you. So let's do some practicals. But before we do those practicals, any questions? Do we have any questions?